mainly responsible for the implementation of a prisoner's treatment program? A. RDC, B. Warden, C. Classification Committee, D. All of these. Answer: C. Classification Committee. When shall the probation order take effect? A. 3 days after issuance, B. 3 days before issuance, C. Upon its issuance, D. Upon reporting to the probation officer. Answer: C. Upon its issuance. What law suspends the sentence of minor offenders whose ages range from 9 years to under 18 years and places them in rehabilitation centers? A. PD 603, B. PD 923, C. PD 968, D. PD 1202. Answer: A. PD 603. For a convicted offender, probation is a form of A. Punishment, B. Enjoyment, C. Treatment, D. Incarceration. Answer: C. Treatment. In determining whether a petitioner may be placed on probation, the court shall consider information relative to which of the following: A. Character, B. Antecedents and environments, C. Mental and physical condition of the offender, D. All of these. Answer: D. All of these. Refers to the mental condition of individuals or groups regarding courage, hope, zeal, and confidence in the present principles and way of life. A. Virtue, B. Fortitude, C. Moral, D. Positive discipline. Answer: C. Moral. The preliminary form filed up by the probationer within 72 hours after the release of his probation order. A. Worksheet, B. Filed notebook, C. Flash sheet, D. Chrome card. Answer: A. Worksheet. Created the Board of Pardons and Parole. A. Indeterminate Sentence Law, B. Executive Order 292, C. Probation Law, D. House Bill 393. Answer: A. Indeterminate Sentence Law. This decree mandated the disqualification of the petitioner's application for probation if an appeal is perfected. A. PD 603, B. PD 968, C. PD 1990, D. PD 1257. Answer: D. PD 1257. Probation aides appointed may hold office during good behavior for a period of A. 1 year, B. 2 years, C. 3 years, D. 4 years. Answer: B. 2 years.